Today I'm making loaded Doritos with ground beef and toppings, and I'm also doing a classic Frito pie. This is gonna be good. So to start, I'm going to make a nacho cheese sauce, and this is what I've been making lately. It's easy. Here I have 8-ounce block of American processed cheese. I'm going to use half of this sour cream container. It's about 4 ounces. A 1/3 cup of milk. I'm going to add paprika and onion powder to taste, 1 or 2 tablespoons of the brine from my pickled jalapenos, and I'm going to start it off with half a tablespoon of unsalted butter. So I'm working with a low flame or low heat. Here in my pan I'm adding the butter. Now I'm going to add around a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder, let it warm through. This goes really quick. I'm going to add my cheese. This is 8 ounces of American processed cheese. Here I'm adding half of this 8-ounce container of sour cream, my milk, jalapeno brine, and just give it a mix, combine, and let it slowly melt. Nothing on high heat. You want this low and slow. And then you have a really delicious cheese sauce. Sometimes I like to add cream cheese in place of the sour cream. It all works. And this is the cheese sauce that I use for my layered cheesy beef enchilada recipe video. I'll link that recipe video below, but I've been using it lately. It's easy and it's something that goes great for different recipes. So I'm gonna make ground beef and season it with a Taco Bell taco seasoning. I added 1 pound of lean ground beef into the pan. I'm gonna break it up and saute and cook. Once it's cooked, I'm going to add my Taco Bell seasoning package. You can season your ground beef however you like. You can use any taco seasoning or make your own. And typically taco seasonings have a combination of chili powder, paprika, ground cumin, ground onion, ground garlic, maybe a pinch of sugar, some vinegar. But here, once I've combined it, I added 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to let that simmer and cook for another 10 minutes or so, and then it's done. So for the Frito pie, I am going to make chili. You can use homemade chili. I have several recipe videos that I'll link below, but this is my favorite store-bought brand. I am using a can of Wolf brand chili, and I added a 1/4 cup of water just to sort of thin it out a little bit, and I'm just going to heat this through. But it's as easy as that. This is basically a very easy way to make Frito pie. Here I'm just taking my chili and a small bag of Fritos. You can do this in a bowl or on a plate. This is just a throwback option from when I was growing up, going to carnivals, festivals, and football games. They'd cut open the Frito bag, add the chili, and they always had nachos at the concession stand, so they would just add the nacho cheese on top, and that was Frito pie. Top this how you like, homemade chili, store-bought chili, it all works. And it's good. So the next thing I'm going to make is basically loaded Doritos, same concept. And I don't know what you would call this. I'm using taco meat and toppings that you would put in a taco, salsa. I have some shredded lettuce. I'm going to add chives, some cheese, and some Mexican sour cream. And it's good. It's easy to make, and it's perfect for like snacks or, game day at home. I don't know, loaded Doritos is what I call it. Call it what you like. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.